If you're watching this, chances are you or someone you know may have high cholesterol. Pero what if I told you regular exercise could be the thing that you're looking for to manage your cholesterol levels naturally? We all know that too much cholesterol can actually lead to serious health problem. But did you know that there are two types of cholesterol? Merong tinatawag na good and bad cholesterol. Yung bad cholesterol ang dapat nating bawasan kasi yun yung nagpapataas ng risk ng heart attack and stroke like what the doctors tell us. Napakaganda ng exercise sa katawan kasi ito yung nagpapadecrease ng bad cholesterol and nagpapa-increase ng good cholesterol at the same time. Now you might be asking, ano nga ba yung optimal exercise na pwede nating gawin for this? Well, the CDC said that any type of workout will do as long as you do it for at least 150 minutes per week in a moderate intensity. Yung tipong hindi ka hingal na hingal pero ramdam mo yung pagpapapawis mo. Pero eto na naman isang paalala lang. Isang paraan lang yung pag-exercise. Kailangan mo ring samahan ng diet para hindi naman masayang yung effort mo. Ano pang hinihintay mo? Tama na yung panonood mo, mag-workout ka na.